way Kodak died, the way Nokia died, you are going to die as well if you don't change your business practices. Similarly, for smaller businesses, if you don't change your practices, then your business is actually going to die. And what we need to do is we need to identify what are the processes that that business is doing and how we can digitize those processes. For example, banking sector, right? You remember the time when we used to go to the bank to make a transaction, if you have to pay someone or whatever, right? it we actually had to go literally to the banks. How many people go to banks to do these things? In Australia and US, it's more advanced, right? I have never visited my bank branch. Like, my bank account was opened when I was sitting at my home from my mobile phone. All of the transactions are happening online as well. I've never visited my bank, right? My bank doesn't need to have like a physical premise. Similarly, a lot of physical small businesses are going to die, because of the whole influx of the e-commerce and digital. So businesses need to think about how they can survive. If you are producing a product, put it on Instagram. If you are developing something great, put it on Instagram. That's the only way to act, and go digital. Actually talk about it, do a live. Even if you are developing a like a product in the factory, do a Facebook live, Instagram live, show it to the people, and then give them an option to actually buy the product or make the orders online. That's the very first step. The second thing is the documentation of the small businesses. You need to take all of that online as well. If you don't do it, your competitors will do it, and you will become obsolete in some time.